Paige Rudiger.
And I'm AIDEN HAMP. Welcome back to a new school year. We hope you had a great summer.
We're here to share some important information for Cabot High School. First, we would like to introduce our principals.
Our CHS principal is Henry Hawkins. Assistant principals are Mike Fasanelli, Elena Graham, who is also our Student Success Coordinator, Adam Kaler, Sue-Ann Whisker, and Tim Harrison.
Nicole Gatewood is the Coordinator of Career Tech and STEM Innovation, as well as the Homeschool Liaison. Schedules for CHS seniors will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, 8 a.m. on Monday, August 2nd.
Schedules for juniors will be released online at 8 a.m. on Tuesday, August 3rd.
Schedules for sophomores will be released online at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 5th.
Sophomore and new student orientation will be on Sunday, July 25th at 2:30 p.m. or on Tuesday, August 3rd at 6 p.m. This will be held in the Fine Arts Auditorium on the Cabot High School campus.
If students are taking concurrent classes, they will pay online or by mail. If you need to make a schedule change, make sure you call or email your counselor.
If you are parking on campus this year, passes are $25 and are available for purchase online.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th from 4 to 7 p.m.
And here's some great news. Breakfast and lunch are free again this year.
One last thing. If you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on the student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
The first day of school is Monday, August 16th. Don't forget to charge and bring your Chromebook.
We hope you have a great school year. Be sure you follow Cabot High on Twitter and Cabot High School on Instagram.
Graduation happens here.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Haig.
And I'm Ian Vance. It's hard to believe summer's almost over and it's time to get ready to go back to school.
First, we would like to share some information with you about the Cabot Panther Academy. The Cabot Panther Academy is home to ACE and our 7th through 12th digital students, as well as our ALE program.
The principal is CARRIE LAIR, and the assistant principal is Mallory Jones. ALE Dean of Students are Randy Black and Mike Sprouls.
ACE is currently accepting applications for students in grades 7th through 12th. Applications can be found on the district website, or you may pick up an application in person at ACE. Our campus is located at 21 Funtastic Drive across from the water park.
Schedules will be available at Open House, which will be held on Thursday, August 12th for both ACE and digital students from 4 to 7 p.m.
You can also pay for your ACE parking pass at Open House. If you owe a fine, you can also take care of that as well.
Parking passes are $15. You will need to bring your driver's license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration with you to purchase a parking pass.
And here's some great news. Breakfast and lunch are free again this year.
One last thing. If you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We hope you have a great school year.
Hi, I'm Quinn Cates.
And I'm Emma Durham, and we're with the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about the Cabot Freshman Academy.
First, we would like to introduce you to our awesome principals.
Principal Anna Davis and assistant principals Kevin Floyd and John Shiren.
The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and dedicated just to 9th graders. CFA's motto is, graduation starts here. It is the foundation for everything teachers and staff set out to do each and every day.
Now here's some helpful information as we prepare to kick off the school year.
Schedules will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, beginning at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 5th. Remember, if you owe a fine, your schedule will not be available until your fine has been paid.
If you have forgotten your password to HAC, please call our office and we will be happy to assist you.
If you need to make a schedule change, you can call and schedule an appointment with one of our fantastic counselors, Miss Angie Simon and Miss Stephanie Harper, or feel free to send them an email.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th from 4 to 7 p.m. Feel free to come tour the building, meet your teachers, and check out what CFA is all about.
And here's some great news. Breakfast and lunch are once again free this year.
One last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 16th. Don't forget your backpack, water bottle, and of course, your Chromebook.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And remember,
Graduation starts here, and the Cabot Freshman Academy is looking forward to another great school year.
Hi, I'm Bianca Sines.
And I'm Matthew Thurman, and we're with the Back to School crew.
We are here to tell you about the best junior highs around.
The principals at Cabot Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash.
The principals at Cabot Junior High South are Dr. John West, Mandy Carmichael, and Lance Schustel.
Teachers at Junior High South and North are both amazing and not only care about our academic success, but care about us as individuals.
Both schools have a wide variety of clubs, sports, and exciting extracurricular activities to participate in.
Schedules will be released online via the Home Access Center, or HAC, at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 5th. If you have forgotten your password or need to make a schedule change, just call your school.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th from 4 to 7 p.m.
And here's some great news. Breakfast and lunch is once again free this year. Also, don't forget to check out the school supply list on your school's website.
And one last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website to do it online. For more information, call central office at 501-843-3363.
The first day of school is Monday, August 16th. Don't forget to bring your backpack, a water bottle, and your charged Chromebook.
We hope you have a great year. School will be here before we know it.
Hi, I'm Jolie Moore.
And I'm Parker Johns. We're part of the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about our outstanding Cabot Middle Schools.
The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Suzie Kelly, Micah House, and Jenny Blackwell.
The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Casey Hill, and Mandy Green.
Middle school is amazing. It's 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome activities.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th by appointment only. Your teacher postcard will have your team assignment and a link to sign up for a time to meet your advisory teacher and visit your classroom. You'll also receive bus and car rider information.
Breakfast and lunch are also free again this year. How great is that?
And you know what else is great? There's no supply fee this year. The Cabot School District is providing all school supplies. However, we are still asking parents to pay $10 for a class t-shirt.
Students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle. You may also want to get a protective carrying case for your Chromebook.
And one last thing, if you have a child that will be in kindergarten, is a new student or a returning student, you must register or update their information online.
Click on the student registration on our district website. For more information, call central office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 16th.
It's hard to believe a new school year is about to begin. We're so excited and hope you are too.
Hi, I'm LAIR Griffin.
And I'm Eduardo SAZ-PRICE, and we're part of the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about our amazing Cabot Elementary schools.
First, we'd like to introduce you to our awesome principals.
Central Elementary principals Julia TREADWAY and Macy Leggett.
Eastside Elementary principals Joe Fletcher and Madison Hurley Dar.
Magnus Creek Elementary principals Kelly Bankston and Andrea Neville.
Mountain Springs Elementary principals Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison.
Northside Elementary principals Haley Beaver and Miriam Berryhill.
Tallside Elementary principals Amy Morrow and Melissa Fear.
Stagecoach Elementary principals Kayla SKIBA and Toby Sprouse.
Ward Central Elementary principals Connie Reed and Teresa Richardson.
Westside Elementary principals Frankie Glover and Michelle Atherton.
Cabot Learning Academy principals Kim Griffin and Alex Hale.
Our principals are super excited to meet you and begin another great school year.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th by appointment only. Your teacher postcard will have information on how to sign up for a time to meet your teacher and visit your classroom.
Breakfast and lunch are free again this year. How cool is that? And this is also super cool.
There's no supply fee. The Cabot School District is providing all school supplies. However, we're still asking parents to pay $10 for a class t-shirt.
The only items you need to bring to school are a backpack, a lunchbox if you plan on bringing lunch, and a pre-filled water bottle. And don't forget your Chromebook.
And one last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, go to the student registration section on our district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 16th.
We are so excited for a new school year and we hope you are too.